A warm welcome to everyone. In today's video lecture series, I am here to discuss on the topic strategies for maintenance and repair. So, before going to the topic, everyone might be knowing about what is maintenance. So, maintenance is a regular routine work done on the building in order to keep the structures in good working condition so that they are intended to carry out their specific purpose for which they are constructed. So, maintenance is one of the major aspects to be considered in a building so that the building is durable and maintains its functionality throughout its lifespan. So, maintenance should always be preventive in nature. Preventive in the sense before any damage to be occurred in a building, it should be prevented. For example, cracks in a building and also other abnormalities due to various unforeseen conditions. In maintenance, there are very various aspects involved, out of which it includes inspections and various works necessary to fulfill the intended function or to sustain the original standard of service. The various objectives of maintenance are: it is used to prevent the early damages of the building due to various natural causes and natural agencies in order to keep them in good appearance and also in working condition. The second objective is to repair the common defects of the building, thereby strengthening the structure if necessary. The various steps involved in maintenance are petty repairs, replacements and structural repairs of buildings, painting, whitewashing and coloring, distempering, etc. These are all the common maintenance procedures involved in a building. And also repair and renewal of various furnitures present inside the building, operation, periodical maintenance, and also repair and renewal of various machineries and equipments that is used for electrical purpose, plumbing, etc. Apart from maintenance of buildings, there also will be repair of roads, culverts, and resurfacing of roads comes under maintenance. Next thing is repair of buildings. It is defined as the process of getting back the original functionality and appearance of the building, and it is called also called as restoration of a broken, damaged equipment or various parts of building. Repair doesn't cover the strength aspect of structures, whereas it involves recovering of or restoring of appearance of the structure. The various examples of repair works are decoration, checking wiring of building, painting, whitewashing, replastering of the wall, repair of damaged flooring, repair of doors and windows, checking or repairing of pipeline connections, gas line connections, and plumbing services. There are various facets of maintenance, and it includes emergency maintenance. Emergency maintenance is necessitated by unforeseen breakdown, drainage, or damage caused by natural calamity like floods, fire, cyclone, earthquake, etc. This type of maintenance is done in case of emergency situations due to natural calamities. Next is based on the condition. After a thorough inspection of a building, the maintenance is initiated and involves the following basic steps: finding the cause of deterioration of building, evaluating the strength of existing structures, evaluating the need of structures, and selecting and implementing the repair procedure. So these are all the various facets of maintenance. Thank you for listening to this video. I hope this video is found useful to you. Keep watching the video lecture series on building maintenance. Thank you, everyone.